Welcome back, guys. All right, today I'm gonna be going through the car. I'm pretty much just gonna go through everything, just checking all, make sure the bolts are good. I'm about to check my oil, and that's pretty much it. Just the little shit. I'm gonna pull my spark plugs. I'm gonna check that too. I already know them shits look good, but I'm gonna still check them just to make sure they're solid. First thing that I always like to check is no oil leaks. There is no oil leaks. Everything is dry. And you know how it is with typical Honda shit. You leaking oil. I'm about to pop the hood right now and I'm about to show you everything is dry. So no oil drips. No oil drips, no coolant leaks. I'm about to check the oil, make sure I got oil. Last time I checked, I did not have oil. And this is fresh oil too, so. Hell yeah, we still at the second dust, so it's full on oil, which is perfect. I always change it every time, like let's say if I beat on the car a lot, and I just change it. We just throw that right on top. Oh, damn. Holy shit. Alright, let's check cylinder number 1. Oh yeah, this should look good. Not too bad. Let's check the next cylinder, cylinder 2. Yeah, it's not too bad. I'm gonna still change the plugs eventually as well, so, but that one's good. Cylinder 3. Yeah, looking good. What y'all think? Cylinder 4. Ooh, this one looks like the best one. Looks good. Let me tighten these back up. Should be good. Yeah, that's good. All right, that's good. Go through them one time. Tight. We are finally on the way to the Atamian Honda show. Oh my god, I am so late right now, and I blame with whatever they're doing with that running shit, that marathon, bro. Oh my god, bro. All right, y'all, we're about to be at the Atamian Honda. I had to take back roads the whole way. Literally had to go all the way around. And I'm telling you, man, the traffic is so fucking bad. Just like, bro, I literally just wasted like 2 fucking hours just to get to fucking the Honda dealership. Met up with the boys, Brandon's Del Sol with the Mugen rims and SIRs. What happened?
You go first, let me, let him.
All right, yeah, we could do that. All right, let's go. Atamian Honda, but it's a line to get in, so I'm about to show you guys. See, I'm right behind this car. It's just like mad traffic right now. I was about to bust a lefty into the Atamian Honda, but they want us to go around because I'm pretty sure it's because of the traffic and shit, so we gotta loop around. I gotta do a U-turn. So I'm about to pull into Town Fair Tire and then head back that way. here. It's like mad people here and shit. Got a nice ass car in front of me. So far. Hopefully I get to be able to park with Sylvain and my boy Brandon. So let's see what happens. finally made it. Damn, clean, bro.
No, it's not.
Shit. Show car.
Yeah. Nice car.
Oh my god, May's car right there. I'm surprised we were able to fucking park next to each other. Oh shit, look who's over there. Bro, the fucking traffic.
Oh, time, goddamn.
I know. fucking late.
Been here 12:30.
Yo, what up, bro?
Hello, baby.
Yes, sir.
You know that.
How's the car?
Doing good. She's outside, so.
That's what's up, bro. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Got Pito's car right here. Fire. Solo tune. Woo. Fire. Yo, did you get the food here yet or nah?
Nah, that line's been hella long.
For real? That's fire, right? And a pickup truck too. Hey, yo, Brandon, there go your twin right here. Single cam turbo.
Oh, he got the top one.
Yeah. Z Flow Fab too. You want
That's
to
the setup I want to do on my other board.
You want to lock it up with it? That'll be a good run.
Yeah, this one's probably bad.
Yo, this Type R is fire, bro. Yo. Clean.
Yours, Johnny.
I know it is. Yo, he even put the bags on the cars. I gotta do that to mine too.
They're so expensive.
Bro, the seats are so expensive. And the cluster is nice too. I like the JDM Type R
That's all
cluster.
you should do. Put a bag over that driving.
Yeah, I know. Fast. I should do that because I just cleaned them.
Yeah, those are my favorite wheels. I like the guns.
Yeah, this is nice.
Is it this never come with a sunroof?
Type R's don't come with sunroofs. Yo, Aiden. What's good, bro?
I like how you did that.
Aiden's Teggy right here. This is clean. Yo, what up, bro? Yes, sir. Fire. Damn. This shit's clean too. I love the JDM front end.
Yeah, we have to give a shout out to Ruins Car Club for coming out here supporting our event. There's a lot of car clubs out here supporting. Yo, thank you everybody for coming out and showing that the culture is still alive, guys.
Good, good.
Look, I want to get food. You see that line?
Where? Oh yeah, there's mad people over there. Yo, your car is clean.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, bro. This is fire.
Nigga, I don't got money to wipe my ass. I haven't used toilet paper in like a week.
Got my boy Annabelle's car right here. Clean. That NSX. Oh, there go my boy Carlos right here. Yes, sir. Oh, this thing is fire. Yo, it's the same color as your Del Sol, bro. Nah, that shit is fast. Look at the fucking, the brakes and the rotors and shit. That shit is stupid clean. Yeah, this is one of the best cars I've seen here so far.
This is the giveaway car last year. H-Day.
It was?
Yeah, a
This
year
one?
or two ago. Yeah.
What?
You don't remember it?
Nah, I don't remember.
The squeeze. It was good. It's like, yeah.
That's easy as fuck. You gotta do your oil change, bro. Yo, you don't gotta fucking put it on the lift. I gotta get the bottom of that shit too. Yo, that's cool. Yo, reflection right here. That's cool. Yeah, the paint color looks nice too, bro. Look at that. Yo, we should do this to our Hondas, bro. Oh, the interior is like so fucking like old style, like classic, yo. It's so cool. Yeah, bro, look at that. That's sick. Yo, you see it has a leather top. You see the leather top?
Oh, that's crazy.
What the hell?
How come this thing lasts so long though?
Bro, people garage keep these things. They rebuild them. My boy Seth car right here. He got an all-wheel drive RSX.
Oh, it's how they did now.
Yeah, it is hood exit. Yeah. Yep.
Nice.
Yeah, he took the hood off. There go my boy Tito right here. Yo, he lucky. He got the good spot because he came mad early. I should have just left with him, to be honest. But my boy Tito right here. Stock single cam. And it got AC.
That's clean too.
It is clean, yeah.
Nothing boom.
I know, facts.
Inside the dipstick a little bit.
Look, it even got that fresh sticker on it. Honda of Canada.
Yep. Okay. So the main one from Canada?
Probably. Oh, I thought it was right hand drive, but it's still, yo, that's still clean as fuck. I know it is. Yo, no.
No, everything's electronic. You just hit buttons, everything comes up, it takes it out.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to go pop my hub because I forgot to pop that shit as soon as I got here, so I'm about to go do that real quick. Clean as fuck. Bro, stupid fine. Huh? I know, I did a bolt delete on my trans, bro.
Should cut the nut and then put glue on it and stick it in.
Yeah, right. Oh my god. Shit, man. Damn, yo, why that shit so long? Pause.
Oh, here, I got you a hook.
Yo, fact. Thanks.
Oh, see, yours is big. You guys with the clips, bro. I'm the only one. Huh? I'm the only one with a hook problem.
What's good, bro? Yes, sir.
What's up, man? Chilling.
Yeah.
You made for power on your single cam.
233.
Okay.
But it actually moves. The tires now.
Yeah.
It fucking puts down.
Sick. Because I just had one of the kids and I told him, like, yo, I think it's got me. Because he didn't believe me. I'm like, I think you can make over 200 on a stock motor. He's like, yeah, man.
Especially the SI motor, Z6, they hold up pretty good.
Yeah. I told him, I'm like, yo, I think one of my guys make like almost close to 250. I told him.
I wanted to push it more, but
Yeah, no.
Don't, yeah, nah.
I rev's super high, but you gotta be sketchy.
Where'd you guys park?
I parked over there.
Oh, shit.
I
Where'd
know,
you park?
bro.
In the middle?
Yeah, where did you park, Cholo?
You came late.
Yo!
Look at the turbo.
Huh? I know, his turbo is fucking huge. See how big that turbo is. Cholo EG. Look at all that space in here, bro. It's so easy to work in here, right? Look at this.
They have the new
Yo.
quick connection.
That's so fire.
It's just sketchy with the freaking bars.
Yeah, but it's all right. That shit's like strong as hell. Huh? Yeah, this one is clean. That one's fire. That's fire, bro. It goes with the color too.
I seen this years ago.
For real?
Yeah, it has the towers
actually did the wastegate with the exhaust pipe together.
Yeah,
That's cool.
teardrop or something.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the teardrop tips.
I went to a JDM last week years ago. He still has it.
That's crazy, bro. This is beautiful.
Yo, here, Johnny, you want to check out your wheels if you do like that?
Yeah, I know, right? I should do that, yeah. At least take it out. That's fire. The color is what's really nice about it too. Got the EG. I saw this one at IFO, I think. Man.
See it? He been driving everywhere. Look at the
For real?
look at the freaking 20 gallon jet back. Jet 20 gallon in there.
Oh, we got 20 gallons?
Right here, right here.
Where?
Stack back there.
Oh my god, dang, got all the VP cans in there. Yo, that's fire, bro. That has to be like a hydro dip, but that's fucking cool. Wow. Huh? Where? Yo, he got a big ass jump pack on that shit. Yo, facts! It does remind me of my Integra. Damn. I know, right? Makes me miss my Integra because my shit was the same color. The K1s, yeah. You got the same tires as I do too. Let's see what tire specs. Yeah, same thing.
This thing sounds like this turbo side, the turbo, I think the one that sounds like a jet engine.
Right now, I'm about to go to the second meter spot, which is at Cross Point. Yeah, I'll probably be over there chilling for a little bit. I got to see a couple nice cars and stuff, so it was pretty lit. Y'all, we got to the second meet at Cross Point. Look at Brandon over there, scamming. We got all the fast car in this section of the parking lot, huh? No, except for yours is slow as hell. 10 seconds. Yeah, right. More like fucking 20 seconds.
No, we'll see.
All right, boys. I'm finally leaving the meet at Cross Point. I'm like so beat. I'm so hungry, so I need to get some food. Yeah, we just got done eating. I forgot to record the food that I had, but yo, that shit is about to put me to sleep. Just want to close my eyes and just fucking knock the fuck out. I don't even want to do anything.